Hey you guys, it's me here, brother Micah, and I just want to show you guys why you should never install Google Drive on your computer, okay? Especially if you're on Windows like I am. Let me see what I have here. Windows 11. Boom. All right. Here's why you should never install Google Drive on your Windows application. Um, right now, my files are being synced from my computer to Google Drive. All right. I don't want that to happen. All right. So when I go here, first and foremost, Google is rude enough to turn my local file logo from the folder icon into the Google icon. Okay. And even when I go back here and change it, guess what? It doesn't change. All right. So that's the first trespass. All right. Secondly, it's uploading all my local super large files to my Google Drive. All right. So my Google Drive will run out of space and then I got to pay for more space. And I'm already paying for space. Okay. Um, but here's the killer. When you go into the um, convoluted way of stopping the file syncing, right? The file uploads, which is here. I had to watch a tutorial just to find this. But once you find it and you go in and you select add folder, mind you, I'm trying to stop syncing files, right? But there's no option here. So there's the workaround or the convoluted way that Google set it up is for you to add folder. I click add the folder. This is absolute madness. Okay, now it's finally changed it once I click add folder from Google, but as you can see on my desktop it's still the same. When I select the folder, you see how this checkbox says sync with Google Drive, upload all files and folders to Google Drive. I uncheck that, I press done, I close this. Then I come back in again to check to see if it's done. Check the same folder again, and look, magically it's still syncing the folder. So family, do not install Google Drive on your computer. In order to stop this, I literally had to just uninstall Google Drive, which I will do right now once again. Uh, Control panel here, and I'll be done with this program. I gotta close it first. Yeah, stop running. How about that? And then let's see if we can find it quickly in the list here. Yes, and we will be clicking uninstall, and we will be uninstalling Google Drive. All right, so do not install this thing on your computer. All right, if you're not a little bit tech savvy like me, you're just gonna end up with pure frustration and a large set of files being uploaded to your Google Drive, and Google taking over, the the look of your folders, so you might be confused as to what folder you're really looking at. Okay, family. So with that, all praise to the Most High. Peace unto you, all you so-called Negroes. You are the biblical Israelites. You need to return to your God by keeping the laws, statutes, and commandments in the scriptures. Do it now, or you will perish with this falling world. All right? Amen.